This adjustable spring-loaded bathtub drain stopper is recommended by an experienced plumber because it combines universal fit with durable spring action and easy field adjustment. This stopper uses a spring-loaded plunger mechanism that compresses to seal the drain and expands for controlled release, which makes it compatible with most standard drains without needing custom fitting. To install, remove the old stopper, clean the drain seat, insert the new unit while aligning the plunger with the central opening, and test compression by pushing down until you hear the snap of engagement, then adjust the height with the knurled collar until the seal is watertight. For maintenance, periodically remove mineral buildup by soaking the plunger in a mild vinegar solution for 30 minutes and rinse, and check the spring tension by depressing the stopper several times to confirm smooth return. Replace the spring only when you observe loss of return force or corrosion. When selecting a finish, choose one that matches existing fixtures and opt for a plated brass or stainless option for high moisture environments to reduce corrosion risk. The spring-loaded design also helps prevent clogs by allowing small debris to pass over the plunger when partially engaged, but pair it with routine drain cleaning every 6 months to avoid hair and soap accumulation. Professionals favor models that allow tool-free adjustment because that saves time at service calls and reduces the need to stock many model-specific parts. Compare across major brands for warranty terms, replacement parts availability, and whether the unit offers tool-free height adjustment versus requiring specialized keys. Common mistakes include over-tightening the collar during installation, which binds the plunger and prevents proper sealing. Simply back the collar off a quarter turn and retest until movement is smooth. Another frequent issue is failing to clear mineral deposits from the plunger seat, which causes intermittent leaks. Remove and clean the seat and plunger with a vinegar soak and a non-abrasive brush and reinstall. A third concern is choosing an incompatible size or finish for the tub drain, which leads to fit or aesthetic mismatch. Measure the drain diameter and choose a universal fit spring-loaded design and a finish that coordinates with your fixtures. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors and read peer experiences so we can find practical options for installations or repairs related to drain stoppers. We also let contractors list services and connect with project leads, and our site includes a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and review products with other homeowners and tradespeople.